Visiting ldaprolegal.com. This is Angela Jones, Registered Legal Document Assistant, and today we are going to be talking about those who are interested in what is a power of attorney. So that question arises a lot. What is a power of attorney? So this video is for informational purposes only. We are not attorneys. We cannot give legal advice, but we can prepare documents at the client's direction should you complete our online intake form and answer our questionnaire and submit the contract for services. So if you are convinced that you do want to move forward with the power of attorney, then we could assist you with preparing that document, which is included in our living trust package. A power of attorney form, the easiest way I can describe it is that you are authorizing someone else to act on your behalf as your agent. So you're appointing someone else while you are alive to make decisions for you. You can elect certain powers that they may have, or you can give them all powers. So for instance, if you only want them to have the right to banking transactions, and you can specify that on the power of attorney. You can also specify whether you want it to be effective immediately, or if you want it to be effective once you're deemed incompetent by 2 licensed physicians, which is also an option. So if you give them all the powers, typically you can think of it as your agent is able to make choices for you on your behalf for the benefit of you, of course. But they are able to make any decisions with regard to whatever powers that you grant them. So it could be banking transactions, real estate transactions, Medicare transactions, the list goes on and on, business transactions, so on and so forth. It is very important because if you don't have a power of attorney in place, there is an ugly process in which you'd have to file certain documents with the court, such as a conservatorship if you don't have a power of attorney. And if let's say you're incompetent and you can't make decisions on your own and no power of attorney is in place, conservatorship is another option, but it does take a very long time sometimes to obtain a conservatorship. And so that's why it's always a good idea to have a power of attorney documents included in your estate planning package. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to working with you.